Good morning, dear children. Today we will start our class from page number 12. Okay. Women's Menkar Bank. Now they have a bank of their own where they go and save their money. And they also take loan. Let us see what they are going to do today. The meeting of the Menkar Bank has just begun. They are arranging some meetings, okay, to decide what is to be done. Fazila is the president. Who is the president? Fazila. Fazila is also a fisherwoman. One among them itself is selected as a president who will take care of everything. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. So in this bank, how many members are there? 20 members are there. 20 fisherwomen have joined. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. So one woman saves 25 rupees every month. Okay, similarly, all the 20 fisherwomen save 25 rupees each every month in this bank. This is their saving for future. Okay. How much money does the group collect each month? So, one lady will put 25 rupees per month. Then all the 20 ladies, how much money they put together all together. Let us see. So, number of fisherwomen who joined the bank. 20 fisherwomen have joined the bank. Now, collection from one woman. So, one woman puts 25 rupees per month into this bank. Hence, collection from 20 women. So, from 20 women, how much money is collected? 20 into 25. When we multiply, we get the answer as rupees 500. So, in this bank, in 1 month, 500 rupees is saved altogether from all the 20 fisher women. Next, how much money will be collected in 10 years? Now we know that 1 month 500 rupees is collected. But in 10 years how much amount is collected we have to see. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. We all know that. And 10 years are equal to 120 months. See, this is 1 year has 12 months and 10 years. So 12 into 10 gives us 120 months. In 10 years, 120 months are there. Total money saved in 1 month. In 1 month they save 500 rupees, which we already calculated. Hence, means therefore, total money saved in 120 months is equal to 500 in 1 month, 500 rupees they save into 120 months gives us how much? What is this amount? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 60,000 rupees. How much? 60,000 rupees. Thus, rupees 60,000 will be collected in 10 years. See, they started very little, 25 rupees per month. But finally, after 10 years, the bank has a big amount, 60,000 rupees, which they can use for the welfare of the members of the bank. Okay, especially the ladies. So the questions we discussed now, you have to write only this last sentence in the textbook. Okay, because there is no space. For first question, write down 500 rupees per month. And for this question, you have to, for B question, you have to write down 60,000 rupees will be collected in 10 years in your textbook itself, because there is no much space, but you should understand all the steps. Okay, now let us move to practice time given in page number 12. Gracie needs money to buy a net. She wants to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a log boat. Even Jhansi and her sister want some money because they want to buy a log boat. So they take loan from their bank. What is a loan? Loan is certain amount that we take from the bank and little by little we have to return it back. Okay. In Kannada we say sala. When we are in need, we take a loan to buy a house or to buy a car, for education, for marriage, for agricultural needs. There are different types of loans. Okay. The government has provided facility for us to take loan so that we can solve our problems, and slowly bit by bit we can return the amount to the banks. Okay. They will return it with interest. What is this interest? This is the extra amount we have to pay to the bank. In Kannada we say baddi. Suppose we take a loan of 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees if we take from the bank, we have to return 110 rupees. Okay, this 10 rupee extra is called the interest. If we take from government bank, the interest will be less. If we go to the private people or private banks, they charge huge amount of interest. Suppose if we take 100 rupees, they may charge us 125 rupees or 130 rupees. Some people even they put 150 rupees also. So we should not buy from such money lenders or private banks. We should always go to government banks, okay, authorized by the government like SBI, Indian Bank, all these big banks, so that we can get the loan with less interest. Okay, so this is called loan and the interest. About this you will learn more when you go to higher classes. Okay, now let us see the next question. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. How much amount she has taken from the bank? 4,000 rupees, because she wants to buy a net. Without a net she can't go and catch the fish. She paid back rupees 345 every month. Okay, every month she used to give 345 rupees. For how much time? For 1 year. For 1 year she should go to the bank and give 345 rupees every month. How much money did she pay back to the bank? This we have to calculate. Totally how much money she has paid to the bank. Okay. Answer is amount of loan taken by Gracie. How much loan she has taken? 4,000 rupees. Installment paid per month. So per month how much she has paid? 345 rupees. We know 1 year is equal to 12 months. Total amount paid in a year or 12 months is equal to 345 into 12. When we multiply this both, we get the product as 4,140 rupees. So we can say that Gracie paid rupees 4,140 to bank in a year. Okay, clear? Now question number B in practice time. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. To buy a boat they need a big amount, so they have taken 21,000. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in a year. After 1 year they have paid this much amount. So we have to find out how much did they pay back every month. So every month how much they have paid, that we don't know. That we have to find out. Now see here. Total amount paid by Jhansi and her sister in 1 year. This is the total amount they have paid in 1 year. 23,520. Amount paid every month. For 1 month we have to calculate, means we have to divide it by 12, because 1 year has 12 months. In 12 months they have paid this much amount. In 1 month how much they have paid? When we divide this, when we do this division, We will get the answer as 1960. Okay, this is the answer. For this practice time, question A and B, I will send you the notes. You have to see the question from the textbook and answer you have to copy down from my this one. Okay, you have to write it in notes. Now let us see what is here. Earlier, women did not go on the boat to fish. In olden days, women were not allowed to go to fishing because the people used to think that it is very difficult task women can't do. Okay, but now the time has changed. But now Jhansi and some others are going on the boats during the day. Now they are allowed to go during the daytime because during the night time it is very difficult. They may get lost. Something may happen to them. So daytime they will go and do the fishing on their own. Things are changing now and their bank helps them. Who is helping them? Bank. Bank is giving them loan to buy nets, to buy boats and all, and they are getting more and more confident. Okay. They also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. After catching the fish also, they have a special bus which will help them to carry their fish to the required places, to different markets where they want to go and sell the fish. Okay, similarly nowadays ladies and women are improving in every field, not only in this area. Now they are getting more and more education, they are taking loans, and government is providing special loans to women. They can start their own business, like if somebody knows how to do stitching and all, they will get a machine on loan, or by the government some schemes are there where they can start their small businesses. Self help groups are there, NGOs are there, all those are helping women to become more confident. And you remember that one, if one woman is earning, or if a woman is well confident and well this one educated and all, she can help the whole family, isn't it? You all know that. Okay.